Did you know we sold router bits? Well, we do, straight from Klingspor and made in the USA. So if you're looking for a good, high quality, tariff-free bit, we've got you covered. Good with high quality steel, super thick chunks of carbide, and well, again, made right here in the USA. So whether you're looking for a standard bit, a profile bit, a flush trim bit, or a bit that's in a set, we got it all covered for you. So if you look right here, you can see these are just some of many that we have available. Your traditional straight cutters in a variety of different diameters and shank sizes. We've got your ball nose bits, your round nose bits. We have your bull nose bits, your V bits, different angles with the V bit and the profile. You want a bit, we got your bits, right? So moving on, we got round overs and we got coves and we got bevels and we got flush trims. So we got them all. Whatever you're looking for in a router bit line, high quality, USA made, Klingspor router bit. Keep that in your mind because you're not going to want to forget. Klingspor router bit is the way to go. Come check them out at any of the local stores of Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, or visit us on the web at woodworkingshop.com, or you can call customer service at 800-228-0000, and they can get the bit you need ordered for you today. Well, this is Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and we'll see you next time.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.